Many students say learning English is hard, but guess what? It's hard because their attitude is all messed up. Actually, learning is all about attitude. If you learn it with an attitude of, it's hard, I can do it well, I can speak it well, or have this or that fear, then you've already failed. When you think learning English is hard, give up, but just know that we will experience a variety of things in our life, like learning English. But what should we do? Just still give up? That sounds unrealistic. When we go through the very same thing in our life, we will find the following points in the process of learning, like discipline, patience, and perseverance. Just think about like this. We can't even handle a language. Dealing with life is like 10 times harder. What should we do? So act. Act right now. Keep calm. Have an attitude of, I believe I can, instead of I can't do it. If you have that, you're halfway there.